Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a BeeBeeCraft unboxing for you. I was contacted by them and asked if I would like to receive some products for free and to make a few videos for them. So I went ahead and said yes, of course. So I'm going to show you what I have, but before I do, I would like to mention that they do have a YouTube program. If you have more than 100 subscribers, you can get free products from them, and all you have to do in return is make a few videos. They like you to do an unboxing video and then at least 2 videos for the projects that you create with whatever you got. Also, too, right now I have a coupon code for you guys. It is Stacy5, and I'll have all of this information in the description box below. But you can save $5 on orders over $40, and the coupon code is good until September 24th of 2023. So it's going to be quite a while before that coupon runs out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. They always package their items really well. The first item I got were these little fairy doors. There are 4 different ones in here. So you've got this one here. You've got this one. And I already have a project in mind for this. I did have to get a couple of things extra to go with it. You've got this door with the window, and then you've got this one. So those are the 4 different types of doors, and you get 4, let's see, no, 6. You get 6 of each door. So these were really good price too. They weren't bad at all. Okay, the next thing I got, this is a bead kit, and it's actually a Halloween bead kit. So there are all the beads that you get. You also get keychains. You get little clips in there. Here, we'll open that up. And I love the boxes that they send with their product. If I can, is it taped? It does not want to open. Yes, it's taped. Okay. I was going to say, you don't usually have this much trouble. But yeah, they always send their stuff in these amazing packages. And of course, once you're done using up the product inside, you can just keep the packaging and reuse it. Okay, so got a few colored beads, but then the rest are all Halloween colors. And you've got the hooks like this. And if you can hear the cat, I'm sorry, I had to put him in the bathroom because he was interrupting. And then you've got the keychains. All right, so that is that one. That's that part. And then it comes with 2 different cords. So you have the white one, and then you have the black as well. And there's quite a bit on there. And then you have, these are the dividers for this package. So you can put them in after you finish with the beads, because I think like right here there aren't any, and I think right here there aren't any. So that they just put it in a separate package for you to have. And then these are what you can make with the kit. And I believe you can make 1 of each of these with the kits. So I thought these were really cute. I really love the skeleton one. So I will be making these on camera, at least a couple of them on camera. so you guys can see what they look like. So that is that kit. And then the last one I got is a resin kit. You all know I love making things in resin. So I got a few molds. So I got these. And some of these go good with the stickers that are in the package as well. And then I got these two. So there's that. They give you a bag of pipettes and stir sticks, whatever you want to call them. So that's nice to have as well. Then you also have some kind of like glitter flakes to put in the resin while you're working on it. So I thought that was pretty neat. I have not used the glitter in the resin yet, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. You also have some finger gloves. This is just so that if you are doing like a small item or something like that, you can just use one, just put one finger in a glove. That way you're not getting the resin on your hands. But then they also include full gloves as well. So that's really nice. And then in the bottom here, all right, so I'll show you the stickers first. So here you have these stickers that you can put on the resin pieces. And I think what you're supposed to do is take them off and then set them down in the item and then pour the resin on top of it so that it sticks to it. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's how I'm going to do it. And so, yeah, you get 5 stickers with the kit. So I thought that was interesting. Again, I've never worked with the stickers, so I thought it would be neat to try out. And you also get some fasteners for making it into little charms or anything like that. So you got the 2 different colors with the hooks, the eye hooks. Is that what it's called? I think, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, and then you've got the rings. So that'll be nice to do as well. And then the final item, which I thought was really great, you get a drill set. Now it's an automatic drill set. You know, you have to do it yourself. It's manual, not automatic, but manual. It's a manual drill set. So you just put the drill bit size that you need into here. You can loosen it up and then you tighten it up around the drill bit and then you just turn it and you drill through the resin piece so that you can put your little hooks on there. Of course, you're probably going to want to glue them in, but yeah. So that is the resin kit. So I have, like I said, I have an idea for these two already. Like this, I'm just going to be doing what the kit is for. I have an idea for this. This I'm going to be playing around with, and I'll see if, you know, what I can figure out what I want to do. I know I want to use the stickers, and I know I want to use the glitter flakes. So it's probably just going to be stuff like that. But that is it for this video. Like I said, all the information will be down below in the description box. I will have their website, the links to the items that I got, as well as the coupon code. And you can take advantage of that coupon until 2023, so you have time. But yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.